packed studio. I'm going in after hitting this ganja. Out to dinner with the homies, private table at Nakama. I'm a new millennium Sinatra. Copper marijuana from the neighborhood rosters. Chiefin', feasting, king of the new school. I'm speaking in tongues, try translating voodoo. Hold up, let me start again. Undefeated shirt, Levi's, and a Mr. Rogers cardigan. It's a hell of a feeling, being this fresh. Spit seem to sit up on my lips, call it Blistex. Peddling this medical, the presence of a general. Magazine centerfolds, they all up on my genitals. Got the game in the palm of my hand. It's itching, wildin' out, better talk to your man. He bitchin', cause I ain't got a lot of time for these weirdos. Talking shit all up in my earlobes. I just live life, try and do it right. Everyone to hear me say the boy is super nice. Put a bitch up on the flight, she gon' be here by the night. Get some afternoon delight, only eat it if it's right. Call me Stanley Steamer, I be giving her the pipe. And when I'm out of town, she wanna see me, so we Skype. She might get obsessed and keep calling. 30,000 feet tall, petty free falling. Just laying back, letting gravity take its course. I wanna tell all of my haters that we made it, boy. From basement studios to some official shit. From stressed out all the times I don't give a shit. Used to dream about it, boy, now I'm living it. 412, it's the most dope syndicate. Had a normal life, but now I'm sick of it. Try and spend money just to spend it, it's ridiculous. Young and so mischievous. Bitch is. And then Pharrell wants me to sing a hook like this. La 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 la.
Your niggas like, what the fuck is this? Shit. Damn, look at this, what kind of luck is this? Mad Lip Mandilla's the illest, my nigga. Only haters holler, they can't feel us. Niggas wanna get looser than we. But just gonna be a loser to me and Dilla. Killer, talking about how you pill Casper, nigga, you're softer than a pillar. Back slapping your neck while you're covered in wreck. Cause you're bluffing and you ain't said nothing to spec. That nigga always lying. Anyway, I'm straight high off the trees. Your girl don't wanna lie, she just wanna get on her knees. Turn it up. Y'all niggas must be out of your head if your system ain't up to the reg. Instant leeway, instant replay, instant relay, instant MC producer and DJ. I do this shit without a cell beep or a three-way. You coming off like a GA.
Anyway, ayy.
Peace to AG, peace to Pete Rock, Diamond D, peace to Seiji.
Oh shit, look over there.
That niggas wildlife, cannibals, cannibals.
What else?
Male bashers, womanizers, nymphos, niggas in disguises.
Hey, what's up? What else?
Fine women that like pretty women, some ass women, some titty women.
Mostly shitty women.
Y'all niggas must be out of your head if your system ain't up to the reg.